What's up everybody, it's Mike from Cornfield Customs and I'm here with Noah Norwood, the Hot Rod Kid, and we're at Kindigit Design. Well,
looks like 7-Eleven.
Yeah, actually we're at 7-Eleven, but Kindigit Design is back here behind us and we're gonna head over to do this weekend's metal shaping class. So stick around and we'll show you some of the sites and some of the great instructors and students that are gonna be here.
The oldest instructor on the planet is here on time. Where are your lazy asses?
Starts to do that. Pops down. Starts to lock in that information. So this is now not going to be able to.
We love it. We gotta have it. So it's gone it's really gone full circle from nothing to everything. So I'm going to be using this power hammer here.
And bring metal shaping, in making it achievable, a lot more achievable for everybody to get involved.
And once again playing that game of half that I was talking about. So essentially, now I want to cut this cake in half this way. And in half that.